All right, guys, so we are in the golf sim today, and we're doing a little bit of workout. One of the things Zeerun sent us is a pretty cool product here when it comes to weighted vests. So what I like to do is do a little dual workout. So we are going to actually be working out, getting a little extra while we are in the gym. We don't want to just sit here and do all the fun stuff. We're going to do the super fun stuff, which is going to be putting it to face. So you got a material upgrade. I have a helper here that's going to show me how to wear it. You have magic sport equipment, scientific fitness, and durable stitching out of this bad boy. This is the, make sure I got the right weight here. This is 10 pounds. So if you're wearing 10 pounds, you know what 10 pounds feels like, Sky?
Probably all three of us.
All three of you guys. Not quite, but it is 10 pounds, so it is going to be heavy. All right, so right here, what's super cool, hold that for me. You do have a nice strap that will buckle on the front. You can see that right there. Let's go ahead and get a little bit closer. And then here you have it. So go ahead, turn around. Oh, we got it upside down. So here we go. Turn around. Just like so.
Yeah.
Oh, how heavy is that? Feels like 10 pounds, doesn't it?
It's not heavy.
What do you mean it's not heavy? So I wear one of these all the time, which makes it super nice. It's one of those things. I love going to the gym and working out with one. And you got a good strap. Just like so, you're able to wear it and have zero problems. What do you think? Does that fit?
Yeah.
10 whole pounds?
It's not heavy.
Not heavy at all. Let me give it a shot and check it out. It's for our little gym aspect, so we can make it happen here. Okay. So you do get a holder on the back, so you can put stuff if you are running with it. You're able to do that. More fit for women. It's definitely a smaller body type for it. But I like that it is held super high. What do you think? It's got a nice high feel. Does it look good?
Yeah.
You're going to see me if I'm running?
You can put some.
I can tuck all my candy in there, can't I? If I wanted to. Yeah, tuck my phone. I don't even know what she's putting in there, but I may want to do that. A remote. I can tuck my remote. And look, it is super fit to the body. And that's what I like about this. So if I'm here in the gym, 10 pounds is perfect. So I get a little swing on, do a little bit. But Zeerun has it right. Exercise. Exercise, exercise. So what do we say?
Check it out.
Check it out.